way, and it may say do whatever's your choice. Okay? So we're going to go through these one more time, and then I'm going to show you the easy way. All right, here we go. We're on 776. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. The one that says fisheries on page 776. 779. 779. Perfect. Did I skip a page? No. 779. Okay, so we're going to do it Celia's way. What is our A? 2.145. Now, what did Celia do to find B? What did she do to find all the B? She divided everything and found the ratio. So I need you to help me. So, Anthony, we'll start with you. Divide 2.0 something by the 2.145. Sadie, 1.75 divided by the 2.0 whatever. Plar, 1.66 divided by 1.72. Lay, 1.345 divided by 1.661. Tony, 1.421 divided by 1.345. Haley, you have a calculator? Perfect. Rachel, 1.306 divided by 1.42, whatever that is. Antonia, 1.164 divided by 1.3. And Isaac, never mind. Seth, do 1.06 divided by the other.
See, divide 1 by 5.
All right, so what did you get, Anthony?
I got 0.93.
0.93. Sadie?
I got 0.87.
87. Clark?
0.95.
0.95. Lay? 0.84. Tony?
1.06.
1.06. Rachel?
0.92.
0.92. Antonia?
0.89.
0.89. And Seth?
0.91.
0.91. So that is our 8 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We would divide that by 8. And we would get approximately, you're going to have to do this, add all those decimals up, divide by 8, and that will give you your B equals. So what does B equal?
I got 0.92.
Point what?
92.
0.92. I think that's right. 0.92. So this is the way that Celia would write her equation. A is 2.145 times 0.92 to the x power. That's Celia. Okay? So now let's do Ben. So Ben starts out the same way Celia does. Here is A. What did Ben do next?
Pick any point.
Pick any point.
So that was the first one.
So pick one for me, Creed.
3, 1.66.
1.661. So we picked 3 and 1.661, and he still has A as 2.145. So we're going to use the formula 1.661 equals A times B, which we don't know, to the what power?
To the third.
To the third. What do I do next?
Divide by 1.
Okay, divide by 2.145. Divide by 2.145. What did you get when you divided 1.1661 divided by 2.145? 0.7 what? 77 equals B to the third. How do I get rid of that third power? Times 1/3. What is 0.77 to the 1/3? 0.92. Look what Celia got. Look what Ben got. Does it matter which one you use? No. We got the same answer. Alright, now I'm going to teach you how to do it on your calculator. Everybody pick up your calculator. My suggestion would be that you write the steps down as I give them to you. I will go slow. Okay, we're going to put this into our calculator, and I will put one on the board so you can look at it. So, right now, go to let me get my calculator up. Hang on just a second. Alright, go to Stat. And it's already on Edit, so hit Enter. Now, if you have numbers in your calculator like I do, you need to take them out. The way you take them out is you click up to the L1, so highlight on the L1, hit clear, and go down, and it'll erase every one of them. Do the same thing on L2. Go up and highlight L2, hit clear, go down, and it'll take them all out. Now, what you're going to do is on this fisheries, is you're going to put in, starting with 0 on L1, 0, 1, 2, all the way down to what? What number do we put at the end? 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, enter, 4, enter, and so forth. Okay, on L2, you need to put in the right side. 2.145. And keep going all the way down. You should have the same amount of numbers in list 1 as you do in list 2. If you don't, then you've done something wrong. Okay, does everybody have that in there? Okay, go back to Stat. Hit Stat. Go to the right to Calc. So you're going to arrow over to Calc. Go down to 0, which is exponential regression. Hit enter one time. Now look at yours and see if it came up just like mine. If yours didn't come up like mine, then you don't have an updated calculator. And I need to look at it. Anybody's not come up like mine? You got one that wasn't updated again? Yours is good. Okay, so yours should have came out like mine. Does everybody's like that? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to, right here it's blinking list 1, hit enter. If you write it in your notes, write it in there. Then it should be blinking list 2, hit enter. And then it goes down to that next part, and I don't know what that is, so hit enter again. So you've hit enter 3 times, right? Now you're on where it says store regression EQ equation. See that? Are you is it blinking on that?
Yes.
All right. Go to this word right here. It's right next to the clear button that says VARS, V-A-R-S. Hit enter. Right over to Y-bars. Hit enter. Function 1, Y1, hit enter. Now, right there beside where it says store regression EQ, do you have a Y1 now? Does everybody have a Y1? Hit enter. It's blinking calculator. Hit enter. Right there, look, there's your A and there's your B. Now, you know before when we had to type all of that into our Y1 to graph it? We don't have to anymore. Because when we hit VARS, Y-bars, and we stored it in there, everybody right now, look what your A is, 2.118 whatever. Your B is 0.917. Hit Y equals. And your equation should be in there for you. You do not have to type all those numbers in there. Go to Y equals. Is yours in there? Hit graph. Graph it. Did it graph your equation for you? Okay. Now, if you want to look at, see when I go to Y equals, there's my big O equation. When I hit graph, there's my graph. You see how mine have points on there? If yours don't have that point, then go to second stat plot. Second stat plot. Right up here on number 1, see where it says plot 1 on? Yours may say off. If yours says off, hit enter. Make sure the on is blinking. If the on is blinking, then you should get those points on there. Questions on that? Okay, so you can find your equation 3 ways. Did ours off of our calculator match up to Celia's and Ben's? I didn't even look, did it? Okay, so you can do it Celia's way, where you have to find the ratios of the whole table and average. You can do it Ben's way, to where you just pick a point, or you can let the calculator do all your work for you. Okay? All right, we're going to start on the homework tomorrow. It will be probably 1 through, I told last period 1 through 11, I'm not sure.